Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to download Udemy app in your Android or Mac. So simply just in order to do this, just you have to go to the Play Store, and after that here you can see when you open the Play Store, just simply you have to search for Udemy. So just search for Udemy app, and after that when you search here, simply here you can see the first icon is appear, Udemy online courses. So simply just click on install, and now it will take some time to download and install in your cell phone. So as you can see, our app is being downloaded here. So there is another way, just go to Google Chrome, and here you can also search for Udemy app for Android. So simply just type Udemy app for Android, and now click here. So here you can see there are many websites available here where you can download the Udemy app and install it in your cell phone. So just here you can see we just open this website, and after that here you can see we can download Udemy app here. So like in my case, I have again to go Play Store, and just here you can see our app is being installed. So now as you can see the Udemy app is being installed here. So after that when you install this application, simply you can use the application here like you are using the all features in your laptop. So simply now Udemy app is being installed here. So just wait for a few seconds, our app is being installed. So as you can see that the Udemy has many courses where you can download all the courses. So just here you can see our app is being installed. So simply just open this application, and after that when you open this application, in the next section what you need to do, just you have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see browse or sign in option. So simply when you click on sign in, so here you can see sign in with Google. So if you don't have account, simply you can create account on Udemy. So in my case I am logging through Google, so simply just select the Google account. You can also sign it with Facebook, Apple ID and email. So now here you can see it will take some time. So currently I have some issues in my email. So just if you don't have account, simply click on sign up with Google, and after that wait for a few seconds. So here you can see select the account that you want to open on Udemy. So simply it will take some time to create your account. And now here you can see finally our account is created. So this is the main interface of Udemy app. So here you can see all the courses details. Here you can see in the categories. So here you can see in account settings like download option, video playback option, account security, email notification preferences, and all the details here. Here you can see the wish list, my learning, search, featured. So you will find all the courses here. So like here you can see I have opened account in my region. So the price is appeared here in simply in my local currency. So in this way you can download and install Udemy app in your cell phone or Android